I know exactly what you want. Good schools, close to major shopping, major dining, and close to Robins Air Force Base. If that is you, I got it. 213 Brandfield Drive here in Bonaire, Georgia. Let's check it out. Coming into this highly customized home here in Bonaire, it features 5,798 square foot, but it does have an addition that is not calculated into that square footage. Coming in, you do have a multifunctional room with lots of light. You could use it for an office space or for a separate piano room or living room space, whatever you'd like. You also do have the formal dining room space coming in, large enough for a large table, big family gatherings, no problem at all. You do have also your access to the garage. And coming in, you have what is the magic, the living room space. This living room space is amazing. The owner customized those pillars with real rock as well as the real wood fireplace that goes all the way up to the ceiling. You do have a lot of natural light coming in, super high ceilings and custom light fixtures as well. This one is coming last. This is the bonus room right off of the kitchen and the living room space. But coming in the kitchen, you do have beautiful granite countertops, a lot of countertop space. You got the pantry, you got lots of cabinet space, double ovens, and a gas range. We also do have a super large bedroom downstairs with its own bathroom and walk-in closet, but that's not all. You also do have a half bathroom downstairs, perfect for entertaining and all those NFL Sundays you might have at your house. Coming up to the second floor, you do have 3 bedrooms in total. You got the main and you got 2 decent sized bedrooms on this side of the house with their own hall bathroom. Both of them have walk-in closets and you got the laundry room up here with all the bedrooms. The owner customized the main bedroom with an extra office, but you could use it for whatever you want to. Welcome to the main bedroom space. This office, by the way, was customized the way that it has 2 entryways, so you don't have to disturb your spouse. But take a look at this humongous main bedroom, 3 large windows, letting in a lot of light. And take a look at that ensuite with a huge walk-in closet, tiled shower, and a bathtub. Welcome to the 3rd floor. You got a mini bar. Yes, it has 3 floors, 5,798 square foot, 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Up here, you have a huge common space area, 2 more extremely large bedrooms, plus you got 2 full bathrooms. Last but not least, as promised, you got the bonus room. The owner upgraded this to the house with commercial grade stoves, ovens, you got commercial grade vent hoods as well as a sink. Perfect for entertaining, family parties, and everything you want to do. You actually do not have to grill outside anymore because it's all hooked up to natural gas. This garage is amazing. It's a 3-car garage. It has heavy duty rubber mats on the bottom, so super for your home gym, and you got a bunch of storage out here that is actually hidden behind a mirror, even better for your home gym. But let me show you the backyard. Outside, the homeowner did upgrade this walkway as well as the landscaping up front and on the side to get to this beautiful backyard. Let's check that one out. Coming into the backyard is, again, homeowners spent a lot of money to landscape it with beautiful palm trees, rock, and concrete, so you don't have to worry about mowing your yard. But you could potentially put a hot tub, jacuzzi up here under the gazebo. There is electrical. You do have also a 10x10 shed, which the homeowner currently uses as his dog kennel because it is air conditioned. I'm super excited to present my latest listing, 213 Brandfield Drive here in Bonaire, Georgia. For more information or to schedule a private showing, feel free to contact me at 478-442-1429. Let's unlock the door to your dream home together.